Hello and welcome to Paul Review channel. In this video, I am going to talk about a new software, video creation software that we can use the artificial intelligence technology to create videos. So, are you currently pitching clients on video creation and marketing services? In 3 minutes or less, a new artificially intelligent web app has hit the market that will write, create, host, publish, and syndicate videos for all of your clients. It's Studio that has been created by Joshua Jamura, and this product is released on 7th December 2021 at 11 EST on the Jevizu marketplace. So in my Studio review, I am going to reveal how this device is designed to supercharge any local agencies and the ability to give high quality services to our clients by creating videos in recorded time ever. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and press the bell button if you want the video if you want to get a notification of my next video. So here is the overview of this software. The product type is video maker software and the marketing niche is video. The product creator is Joshua Jamura and the price is 47 for front end, and it has some upsell products which is optional for us. And the ease of use is this is very lightweight, cloud based and easy to use software. And the skill you needed is this is a copy paste system, so all level persons can use it, whether you are a newbie or an expert. And they have a nice support team, and we will get the 30 days money back guarantee with this product. So, and my rating is 4.8 out of 5, and my verdict is if you are looking for a real Bitnami alternative or the easiest AI video maker software, then Studio can definitely help. So you can get the official link in the description below, so where you can use the coupon code that is AI5 off for $5 discount and AI7 off for $7 discount, and you will get this coupons. You can use this coupon for different time of this product, so you can use them. You must use this code before purchasing this product, and you will get my elite bonus pack which is worth $3,000 when you buy this product through my affiliate link, and you will get automatically in your access space. So what is Studio? Studio is a web-based artificial intelligence program that allows us to compose, create, host, publish and share profit-generating videos in any language, and especially in under 3 minutes. We can generate more traffic, leads and sales, earn more money and manage our niche with this incredible tool without having to spend hours of writing video scripts, recording audio and creating videos. All digital marketers, affiliate marketers, business people, products and service providers, video creators, social media marketers, content marketers and other will find this tool quite valuable. This software is unusual in that it was created by a group of programmers who have spent years working in the video and web development field and are familiar with all of the complicated strategies that must be implemented in order to reach perfection in creating automated videos. So who is the creator of Studio? You can see this is the man in the picture is Joshua Jamura, and he is well-known internet marketer. He has now been working in this industry for a long time, and you can see he have already made 227k sales and 57,000 plus affiliate sales. So he is also create a number of video production and marketing products available on the market today. Joshua has created a number of trendy digital products that he sells on a variety of internet marketplaces, such as DFY Chief 2.0, My Traffic Jacker, My Video Spy, Sendio 2.0, Video Traffic Genie, Done For You Manager, SendLab Pro, Xranker 360 Pro, Sociable, Sendio Pro AG, Create, Done For You Suite 3.0, and more programs are included. And now with Sendio, another record-breaking video app, he is come up with something truly unique. So what we will get inside Studio? Studio software comes with awesome features. Let's check out them. Number 1, Hollywood quality video production is done for us in any language, for any niche, and for any product or service imaginable. Number 2, never again we have to write a script or pay for a script writer, since AI, that means artificial intelligence, will do it for us. Number 3, with this amazing AI rewriter, we can turn any exciting script or content into a completely new version of video. Number 4, a powerful human-like text-to-speech engine transfer all of our text into fantastic sounding voiceovers in any language or accent. Number 5, the first of its kind true AI video creation platform that can compose, make, and publish videos for us in under 3 minutes. Number 6, powerful lightning fast video hosting is provided for our videos, and all of the videos on these websites are hosted by them. Number 7, we can publish our videos straight immediately on their video page, so we can start driving traffic and making more money with them. And number 8, over 1.5 million royalty-free videos, graphics, and audios are included, allowing us to completely customize our videos. So how does Studio work for us? Studio made it simple for us to create high-quality films or videos in 4 simple steps. And step number 1 is we have to log into the web-based dashboard. Step number 2, tell Studio what we would want to see in our video. Step 3, Studio artificial intelligence makes us a whole video. And step number 4, upload our videos to their lightning fast video hosting platform and publish it to their money making videos page right away. So Studio will compose us a one of a kind, excellently written script that provides tremendous value to our audience. It will recognize the most essential words in our script and divided them into separate slides, as well as automatically match them with appropriate images and background videos. Simultaneously, it will convert the script into a human-like voiceover for us, that is, in any language or any accent. So you can watch the demo video from the sales page of this product. Here we will get a clear concept and clear concept that how this software really works. So the days of paying high price video production firms are over. We can now produce professional videos for any products or services in a matter of minutes, thanks to the app. So what are the pros and cons of Studio app? So the pros are, number 1, in a matter of minutes we will be creating and launching videos. Number 2, throughout the video creation process, save hours of time and money. Number 3, our videos will be more appealing than they have ever been. And number 4, produce something that is far superior to anything we have ever seen before. Number 5, produce high quality videos that will increase our company's web traffic. Number 6, with just a few clicks we can become a video marketer. Number 7, using this AI tool to create profit generating videos, we can get more customers in less time. Number 8, with a high quality video, we can build our online performance history and reliability. Number 9, we have the appearance of a professional videographer. Number 10, we can create an endless supply of appealing content to bring people to our website or social media page. Number 11, they have a nice support from the support team. And number 12, it has 30 days money back guarantee. And here are the cons of this software. Number 1, a strong internet connection is required. Number 2, the price will be raised in the near future. Number 3, to be honest, I couldn't think of anything else wrong with this Studio software. So who should buy Studio? So number 1 is local marketers. So no longer have to worry about getting sued if they shoot a video. Number 2, video may now be used by digital marketers to personally communicate with their clients all around the world. Freelancers, they can use this program to create innovative and unique videos while also meeting the needs of their clients. And YouTuber, they don't have to worry about writing a script, creating a video or hosting it, because they can make any type of video they want. It develops any language and any niche in 3 minutes or less. The video marketers who benefit the most will be the one who benefit the most. Affiliate marketers may now deliver a top of the line toolkit that is both valuable and safe to their customers. So now let's know the Studio pricing. So that means how much it will cost you. Here I shall break down the front end and the OTO, that means upsell and downsell, so we can choose our necessity. The front end is Studio Agency, which is for $49. The front end will be the primary studio software. We will receive 25 credits for our most popular level, allowing them to having videos generated for us right away. It will cost 1 credit per video generated, implying that we will be able to create 25 videos for less than $3 each. So you will get the official link in the description below, and from before buying, you never forget to use the coupon code, and you will automatically get my elite bonus in your access area. So OTO number 1, which is Studio Agency Plus, and this is for $67. So here we will be able to lock in our monthly credits as a discounted rate here. Plus after 30 days, we only have to pay down 1 and then 67 per month. We will also be able to obtain a free bonus of triple the credits. This significantly increases the value of this offer, and we may never make it available again. And OTO number 2 is Studio Booster, which is $97. This will take our agency rights to the next level. We will be able to make preview version of videos for clients and share them with them instantly before delivering the final product. Furthermore, we will have the option of embedding a buy button code on the preview page so that client can pay us directly from that page. After they have paid us, we will be able to generate a delivery link that we can send to them immediately, so they can download the final video, which is hosted on our Studio Paste system once again. This is a video production and distribution service on steroid. Plus, as a free bonus, we will get our amazing sub-user tool, allowing us to outsource the entire process if we like. OTO number 3 is Studio White Label, which is $297. This upgrade takes our video marketing to the next level. We want our white label Studio Pages system, whether we are using Studio for our personal business or for our agency. This will allow us to add any domain we choose to our Studio accounts, ensuring that every time we publish a video on our Studio Page systems, our domain, logo and branding will appear on every page. This applies to our agency page as well. As a result, any preview or delivery link we offer to our clients will have all of our brandings. Now to number 4, which is Studio Voice, which is $67. Isn't it true that the best is saved for last? This is the kind of thing that will make our jaw drop. This is where we should put all our video marketing. How? Imagine being able to make videos of any pre-recorded audio track. Yes, rather than beginning with a script, we begin with a voiceover, and after we upload that voiceover, Studio will automatically extract the text from our audio and turn it into a full-blown video. If our clients have a podcast, this is ideal if we like to record voiceover first. If we have audio interviews with influencer, or if we simply don't want to appear on camera but don't mind utilizing our voice. That is exactly what we will receive in this upgrade. So you can see using the Studio app will save us a lot of time and money. Not only will the software make videos for us, but it will also syndicate them to the main video hosting site, ensuring that they rank well in search engine. So in a nutshell, the software will generate an endless number of leads for our business at no expenses to us. So if you are interested to buy this software, you can check out the link in the description, and where you will get my elite bonus pack that is worth $30,000. Here you can see the preview of my bonuses and a lot of money making courses I have included with my elite bonus pack. Here you can see the dropshipping, and you can see the file size, which is 341 GB, that means gigabyte, and Facebook at 111 gigabyte, social media marketing 269 GB, affiliate marketing 60 GB, Amazon FBA 70 GB, copywriting skill course 15 GB, crowdfunding 18 GB, cryptocurrency courses, eBay, e-commerce, email marketing, forex trading, funnel building, Google AdWords, Instagram marketing, investment and credit, messenger bot building, personal brand building and course webinar creation, print on demand, SEO, that means search engine optimization, YouTube, and lot of others money making course. So if you want to personally get it from me, you can send me your purchase receipt, and you will get an email in the description where you can send the purchase link of this product, and I will personally send you the elite bonus pack. So what is my final opinion? So my final opinion is this is highly recommended, because producing and promoting videos is time consuming, but it also a great way to boost our business development. The future of digital marketing will be video marketing. It is a recognized technique to increase our services, leads, sales and earnings. However, if you don't have the necessary tools or talent, creating video content, it may be costly and time consuming. But in just a few clicks, the Studio app will prepare all of your work for you. You can generate more traffic, make more money and dominate your market without ever having to waste time writing scripts, doing voiceover or even creating videos. And I think you could not find anything out there such a low price. That is why I highly recommend this Studio app for video creation and generating profits from it. So that's it guys. So all the link you will get from the description below. So thanks for watching my studio review. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's it. See you again.